Hey everybody, Renee Harper here. It is June 13th and we have her home. She's here. She's ours. So I wanted to come in the side and tell you guys what's going on in here. Hi Brian.
Hello.
All right, so what's happening?
Well, okay, so this is the bench, the support bench that supports the table for another sleeping area here. We had to take it out fully. When they originally built it, they obviously nailed it into the frame and then they put the outside aluminum on, but we can't get to those nails. So we had to cut those nails. So to try to make this sturdy, I've got to build basically a frame. I'm going to frame some 2x4 here, 2x4 along the bottom, 2x4 here, as well as on this top. Attach them to our framing, which you can see 1, 2, 3 pieces of.
Okay.
And then that should support it.
All right.
And I'll clean it all out, floor it, just do some spray foam insulation. We got a little storage area.
Awesome. Okay, we'll come back and take a look at it once you've done some more steps.
Alrighty.